In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install skies and planets in Luminar 4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in custom sky backdrops and planetary objects so they're ready to use with sky replacement and augmented sky. Let's start with getting your files ready. If you've purchased a skies or planets pack from the official marketplace, download it to your computer and extract the zip. Inside, you'll typically find JPG images for skies and separate JPGs for sky objects, along with a short guide. Take a moment to skim that README, because some packs include recommendations for best results or specific folder suggestions. It's a good idea to keep your assets organized in clearly named folders, like skies and planets, so you can find them quickly later. Make sure the images are high resolution and look clean at 100% zoom. Quality in equals quality out. Now, let's load a custom sky using the simplest built-in method. Open a photo in Luminar 4 that actually shows some sky. This helps the AI identify the horizon and edges. Head to the Creative panel and open AI Sky Replacement. In the Sky selection menu, scroll to the bottom and choose Load Custom Sky Image. Navigate to the folder where you stored your skies, select the JPG you want, and Luminar will apply it to the current photo. From here, fine-tune to match your scene. Adjust the horizon position if the alignment looks off, use relight strength to balance foreground lighting, and tweak sky global settings like temperature or exposure to blend naturally. If you see halos or gaps around trees and buildings, refine with the sky local adjustments and edge correction. Keep in mind, this method loads the sky for the active session and image. For ongoing access, refer to the installation notes included with your pack. For planets, moons, and other sky objects, open a photo and go to AI Augmented Sky. In that panel, choose the option to show or add custom sky objects, then select one of your object JPGs. Place the object in the sky and use the on-screen controls to move, scale, and rotate it until it feels anchored to the scene. The relight object or relight scene controls help the tones and brightness match your background. Subtlety goes a long way. Dial the amount down if it looks pasted on, and watch edges against clouds or bright highlights. If your version offers masking, use it to hide overlaps behind buildings or trees for a more believable composite. That's it. Download, load, and blend with care, and your custom skies and planets will look right at home in Luminar 4.